G'day, it's Ross Wilson from AVOturboworld. We've got our Project GT7 on the dyno where we just fitted the AVO unequal length header and front pipe. From what we've seen on the dyno is, with the stock standard tune, just by bolting the header, it went from 139.5 PS with 18.7 kilograms in torque and 99.5 grams per second to 145 PS, 19.4 kilograms torque and 116 grams per second. It still has that problem with where it's getting extremely rich through the mid-range and the top end. We'll see how we go on the next part when we do a tune. Take a look.